So from this IIS video part 3 here. What is IIS and what is how many type in options available in so I will discuss already part 1 part 2. Watch my previous video and afterward these IIS this video part 3. So last my previous video I'm file component and second is a video last this default or document here. So I'm continuing this part 3 video in IIS systems here. So let's start. I will discuss in my websites using this I will show you manually how can we create and how can we using web server and how can we start a web server. So I will discuss in server series. So you want to create your website, so you must learn about this programming language: HTML, CSS, Java, PHP, Python, C++, Ruby, anything. So you can see, so this is anything you can see here, just this type programming showing here in website. So you want to create a website, you want to create so first HTML start programming language. So HTML not programming language, is the design language only. And you can see programming language and programming course. This is showing this type enter and the code here. So this is a code in already create other not one language, different language using just like HTML, CSS, and PHP, C++, Java, and Python, and other related systems, and all of data complete enter website. So that last time enter your data in a server, upload data here. So completely system and start here. So that means your online your website here. So you can see just here, this is a very important for your system and the system configuration with your server. So you can see just a default document showing, that means your main file of your website data here. So this is IIS. This only Windows operating system give a client computer as a one website and local upon your website here, not perfectly as using a server here. So you can see just computer management and file action view and help showing 4 tab this system here. And I'm just teach you computer management through these IIS systems. You can open control panel, administrative tools, and IIS systems. Direct directory browsing, so time, size, extension, date, and long date. So this is using feature specify your information you display in your directory listing. That means your NTP protocol, network time protocol is using time and date here. And size is extension. Say that means your identity of your information of your computer and server computer and your website systems here. So this is a directory browsing is very important for sometime you inform your computer and inform your your systems through your computer. So sometimes very important for you restrict your website, and you can set your time just like as 12 a.m. to not access to 5 a.m. and 6 p.m. to access 11 p.m. So that means you can set this type information in your your server's access system here. And you can see this my error pages path here, and this already defined and already created by this Windows operating system here. So sometime your this for 401 403 why using this open this file. So you are completely your course programming course here. So this automatically number showing here. So for 401 y using 403, 4045, 405 y using 406, 412, and 500, 501, 502 y using here. So this one type of file of your error page for you changing your website, you changing your anything. So user these automatically coming in this automatically error page showing here, and that means user this page showing error response. That means your server upgrade, anything you're working in your computer, and anything you completely new create server and new attach network, anything you work in maintenance. So these are showing automatically error pages is in your server here. So this is a very important for your your changing server, your maintain server, your anything you create a new one type of your system uh, shown here. So by using 401, 403, 404, I will discuss in a server series, but I'm just showing only Windows 10 control panel series here. So this is a control panel series. I'm just teaching only you, and this is my Windows 10 here, not server operating system. So this is a server operating system, maybe working in your maybe working in without your your data. So you are enter you have create a website. So that means you first need uh, your server. Without server your data useless. So that means you're very important for your computer, and you understand your programming language, and all of your language understand completely. And this very simple of your server systems give Microsoft company, but real in case you can see Facebook type company, Google type company using operating system server in operating system as a very important main operating system. So this is very important for your website and website data. So I will discuss in next some video in a server series here. Okay, so this is interface error pages and error showing here, and that means you understand your systems and 401, 403, 404, 405 anything. So this is system drive automatically. This stored by these my operating system, these systems here. Okay, so store by storing this, because sometime you're storing directly pages and error showing. That means you're not perfectly you start your website. So you can check and you can manage here. So this is one type of acknowledgement, and you can see just these new handler mapping. So you can map your system, your progress, your services, and all the system like here. So this is a very sometime handler mapping. So this is a DLL, that means your path and sites here. So handler mapping the use the feature to specify resources such as DLL and HTML, some request files, some your application file. So this showing all of your identity of your files types here. So this is all of extension with your you can see CSX, HTML, this type one type of your collection of your your identity, and provide this information of your your manage your code, and manage your systems with your system with other your resources pages and data pages. So this is very important for your sometime important, but you have specified files. So this very important using system as a group by size showing here. So this is a very helpful website programming, and software programming, and network protocol programming, and these drive and OS programming. These always create and develop a programming. So all of this extension file working background side and all of programming language and some designing language here. So you can see just a very important five systems here. So you can see these are very important, and without programming engineer you cannot create anything. So you can see click on file explorer and open this type file explorer. So how can identify these windows? So this is a program background side working, and already engineer defined this program showing this type interface file explore, and this showing this type look in my Windows systems here. And you open other anything systems, so already defined this type computer and computer with your systems here. So operating system creator and developer, this type creator systems, and manage one by one, you know, your programming system through. So without programming completely you cannot create develop anything your system start here. So sometimes, you know, your computer uh, system very important and cool showing this type. So first you understand coding. So coding one type of your programming language and system here, and you can see here these my systems and different type of files extension available here, and DLL, SP, MC, edit, and this is a request part of your website with on web page here. So you can multiple different type of save status, and you can enable disable. So I will discuss in this all of completely step by step in Windows Server series here. So this is I'm just showing only these files and different type files available, all of extension with different work here, and some programming files, some important, you know, systems here. So this is a website, and HTTP response. What is the response? How can we using the response here? Login. So different MIME tabs. So this is a type of your computer in already installed different type, you know, files, programming files, and designing files. So all of our files available in this type here: 3GP, 3GP2, 3GP, and the different type version, and using in already MIME tabs support your, you know, your web page in website content here. So web content, that means website in different type document, just like images, videos, folders, text, and other systems here. So this is a code, and code in a different type file store in your systems. So this is very important for your computer and your systems here. So browser automatically take a response and give a you know, reply server. So this is very important for your outlook of output here. Okay, so this is a request filtering. So request filtering, one type of use the feature configuration filtering rules some create here. So server certificates, different types of server certificates. What is the server certificates, I will discuss in some time. So you can see just configuration in editor, and feature delegation. So you can see just here, this use feature, you configure your default delegation state for features and lower level IS manager. So this is a lower level means your security level is very high, so you can low level set here, you can set high level you know, features here. So this is a .NET profile, so this only read and write, that means this file read and write both work here. Okay, so this not configurable, and some file configurable, that means you can change files in the settings here. So I'm only set read and write different types. So by default set here, I cannot changing here. And some share configuration, so you can share your configuration in other computer and other systems here. So this is all of IIS manager and different type of tasks I will discuss in deeply and one by one practical with. So thanks for watching my video. I will discuss in next time